Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Meezan bank account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in ebanking.meezanbank.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official login interface. From here you'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have the account yet, you can also click on the option internet banking registration and you'll be able to register the account for yourself. If you already have the account, you'll be able to log into your account using the username and password. So first of all, click on the field of username. Now enter your username over here. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on the option forget username and you'll be able to recover it. Now what you have to do is simply click on the field of password. Now enter your password over here. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Now what you have to do is enter the captcha. So simply click on the field enter captcha. Now enter the letters that is displayed right over here. Now after entering the captcha, you'll have to select the security image. Simply click on the security image that you had set. If you have forgotten the security image, you can click on the option forget security image and you'll be able to recover it. If you remember it, simply click on your security image. Now after doing that, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Meezan bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.